Good morning to dear students. I'm Anshu ma'am, your science teacher. So today I'm going to start the next chapter of biology, chapter 9, weather, climate and adaptation, biology. So first of all, in this chapter, I would like to explain you about the new term weather. You might have heard about the weather. Let's discuss about the definition. The day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at a place with regard to factors like temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed and direction of wind, etc. is called weather at that place. It means weather, it is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place with regards to factors like temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc. So there are some elements of weather like temperature. The first element of weather is temperature. Temperature is measured by maximum and minimum thermometers. We know that the maximum temperature throughout the day is generally in afternoon and the minimum temperature of the day normally occurs in the early morning. It means during the afternoon or daytime the earth gets heated by sun, so there is the maximum temperature. So the maximum and minimum temperature is measured by a special thermometer called maximum and minimum thermometers. The next factors or elements you can say of weather is humidity. Humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Humidity is measured by an instrument called hygrometer. Now, rainfall. The another factors or elements of weather is rainfall. Rainfall is measured by an instrument, rain gauge. In India, the rain is brought by two important winds, that is southwest monsoon winds, which brings heavy rain during June and September, and the northeast monsoon winds, which brings comparatively relatively lighter rain. So these are the two types of winds which causes rain in the India. Now the next important factor or elements of weather is winds. Let's discuss about the winds. During the southwest monsoon period, humidity-laden winds from the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal bring rain to India. During winters, when the winds blow from mountains of North India towards the northern plains, the plains become very cold. During summers, the winds blow from the hot desert of Rajasthan towards Delhi, and Delhi becomes very hot. This way, these are some important elements of weather. Now, the next topic is predicting the weather. Prediction about weather. We know that weather always changes. Weather changes day by day. It is not constant. It always changes. Now, prediction of weather. Now, meteorologists. Meteorologist means a scientist who studies about the different factors of weather and they predict about weather are known as meteorologists. So it is a meteorologists are scientists who deals about the elements and factors of weather, and they also predict about weather. Now climate, the next another term, a new term, climate. Let's discuss about the definition of climate. Climate is always constant, but weather is always changeable. It changes day by day, from hour to hour, but climate remains constant. The average weather pattern of a place taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. So there is a difference between weather and climate. Weather is changeable, but climate is constant. So let's discuss about some factors of climate. The first one is distance from equator, latitude. It is the first important factor. Second is height above sea level. The higher you go, the cooler it becomes. The third factor of climate is distance from the sea. Places near the sea have a moderate climate. Climate depends on whether winds are hot or cold, and the last important factor of climate is amount of humidity in air. When we talk about climate, you must know that climate is constant. It does not change for a long period of time. Suppose, for example, the climate of Darjeeling is known as cold climate because there will be cold throughout the year. So the climate of Darjeeling is cold. Similarly, Chennai is having warm and humid climate throughout the year. So the climate of Chennai will be warm and humid. Rajasthan, if we talk about Rajasthan, there is always throughout the year there is hot and dry. So the climate will be hot and dry. This way, dear students, this is all about climate. So today we have studied about weather, its various elements, factors, prediction of weather, climate, its definition, and various factors which determines the climate of a particular place. This way, students, today I am ending the topic of this chapter 9, weather, climate and adaptation. Just watch my video, study at home, be safe at home. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.